Ciao for everyone, I'm Antonio from Oliver Murphy Coast. Today on Mangia Monday we make a pizza di Scarole. You ready? I'm ready, we start.
Cut the ends off and wash the escarole. Start to cook the escarole. First we put the olive oil in the penta and gallac. When the gallac is golden, add the escarole. When the escarole is cooked, we put in the fried penta and add the olive, pine nuts, raisin and olive oil. Finish cooking when the escarole is dry.
Okay, now we assemble everything. We put the dough pizza in the pan.
Roll out half pizza dough. Put the escarole inside. Roll out the other half pizza dough and put it on top. Cut off the extra dough. It together to form a crust.
Okay, now we put in the oven at 200 Celsius. Pizza di Scarole is ready. Now we test. Buonissimo! Ciao!